Hey everyone, it's Frankie back with another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your cell phone into a webcam. The way you're going to do this is you're going to visit a website that you see on my screen. This website is e2esoft.com/ivcam. So the name of the program is ivcam. So you're going to visit that website. You're going to install the app on your PC. Then you're going to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple's App Store, and you're going to download ivcam on your phone. Once you've got it running on your phone and you've got it running on your PC, you're going to see this screen on your PC. It's going to be looking for a connection. Once you've got it installed on your cell phone, you're going to see this screen on your cell phone. Same type of screen, and it's looking for a connection. You notice here it has found my computer, and I can hit the connect button. Of course, you do have to be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. So I'm going to hit the connection button. You can see my overhead cam. Now if I switch back to the program on my PC and I turn and look at the camera, you can see that whatever I point my cell phone at, that's what you're seeing. And so pretty easy setup, pretty easy to get working. And the really nice thing about this is it's wireless and you can use it on any cell phone that you want. And so I'm going to switch back to this program as I'm talking to you. But it's important to keep in mind that you do have to be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. And the free version that you install does have a watermark that says ivcam on it. But other than that, it's fully functional. And so you can pay a yearly fee for $9.95, I believe, or you can do a unlimited forever license for like $25. But it really does make an excellent webcam and gives you the flexibility of moving it around and using it because it's not connected to wires. And so anyway, I appreciate you watching this tech tip, and of course, as always, we'll be back with another one soon.